Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can create a new brush in Adobe Illustrator so that you can draw using the brush to create artworks, designs, or anything with the brush. So let's start. Head over to the ellipse tool to create the brush. Type L on your keyboard and then make a thin ellipse just like this with tippy ends and a much thicker area between the tippy ends just like this, and then afterwards click on window, click on brushes, and then afterwards click on the plus symbol under brushes to create a new brush from this ellipse, and then select art brush. Name it my brush. Afterwards change the colorization method to tints so that you can color the brush later on. Click on OK. This is our new brush, my brush. And then delete the ellipse. Click on the Paintbrush tool to start drawing with this brush. For example, you want to draw a light bulb just like this. No, that's not cool. You want to draw a light bulb just like this. The bottom part and the wire even. So we need to make the brush smoother. Double click on the paintbrush icon and then afterwards drag the slider for fidelity to the right so that it's smooth. And then you can decrease the pixels as well. Up to you. So you can draw anything. Add new layer by clicking on this one, and then this will be the color. And then for this layer 3, there will be outlines. So for example, you want to draw a heart just like this, maybe. And then this will be the color of the heart. Change the color to, let's say, this pink. You can even increase the thickness of the stroke to this. So that's too thick. We need to decrease the brush thickness by adjusting the number so that it's small. And then you can simply color the heart so that it's entirely pink, and then you can even add some specular shading once you've done coloring the heart. That's how you can create your own brush in Adobe Illustrator to paint. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!